And today I'm going to teach you how to plant 3 popular herbs for that cocktail garden. We're going to plant mint, basil, and cilantro. And we're going to start with mint. Now, something you need to keep in mind with mint is that it's a very aggressive grower. That means it doesn't want to stay in your garden bed. It's going to end up in your neighbor's house. So plant it in a pot. Today I've got peppermint, chocolate mint, and spearmint. And here is how we plant it. I'm going to remove it from the pot. Always soften and loosen the roots. So I've got some soil here. I'm going to go ahead and place the mint towards the back. And I'm going to fill in with some potting soil. Now, I will be planting the peppermint and the chocolate mint also so that we have a mint garden, but I'm not going to plant them all in the soil here. And the reason for that is that the roots really compete with each other and they're very aggressive. So you're going to have a tangled mess if I just put everything here. So my chocolate mint now, isn't that great? It drapes. I'm going to put that in a smaller pot. So the first thing I need to do, add some soil to the smaller pot. Then I'm going to add my chocolate mint. So when you pot in a small plant like this, just make sure that you fill the pot with a bunch of soil. You don't want air pockets. Now I'm going to take my spearmint and do the same thing. I'm planting this. See that? Okay, so I have my second mint, and then I have my original plant here in the back. So it's almost kind of like a multi-tiered effect. We're not done until we add a little bit of moss to this. It's going to help the soil retain moisture, and it gives a nice finishing touch. See that? Basil is a great plant. Now, basil is an annual. That means it doesn't grow year-round. As a matter of fact, it can't stand when it gets cold. This is a warm season plant. So you're going to have your cocktails during the summer. Perfect time for basil. Take our basil, put it in here, fill it with more soil. And then again, a little bit of moss. There you go. I'm going to move this over here. And on to the cilantro. Cilantro is a very exotic herb. Again, we're going to moss it. Cilantro needs sun, but not too much sun. You can give it a little bit of shade, or else it will go to seed very, very quickly. Give it some water. I could use some of this too. It's hot today. It's really fun to grow your own herbs for your cocktails or for your culinary dishes. You're going to be the envy of the neighborhood. And when your friends come over and ask you, can I have some mint? Say, sure. And also, you can have a drink. Is it time?
It's time. It's time.
Yeah. All right.
Salud!
Salud! Oh, that's good.
Still
Still
good.
I could taste some mint.
It's really good.